Need to insert text into file names securely without uploading them? Your files may contain confidential or sensitive information, so uploading them to an online service may not always be the best option. With Ninetu File Batcher, all processing takes place locally on your computer. Your files never leave your device. We have about 60 files that need to be renamed. Let's see how to batch insert text into file names. Launch Ninetu File Batcher. In the left menu, select File Name, insert text into File Names. Add multiple files or import a folder containing them. Select the files you want to rename, then click Next. In step 2, enter the text you want to insert, then choose where to insert it, such as beginning of file name, end of file name, or configure a custom position. Click Next. Choose an output folder, click Next, and start the process. The files will begin processing immediately. Just wait for the operation to complete. Once processing is finished, review the results, including succeeded, skipped, failed, total time, and the processing log. You can also click Copy to Clipboard to copy the log for later review. Open a few sample files to verify that the text has been inserted into the file names successfully. On the home page, here are some tips for using the tools. The My Favorites area on the right lets you pin frequently used tools, while the left panel displays your top 5 mostest tools. Now we are trying to add some commonly used tools. Add your commonly used tools to My Favorites so you can find them quickly next time. Click the icon at the top right of the feature page to view the usage guide. If you run into any problems, open Support from the menu and click New Support Request. Enter a short subject and a detailed description of the issue, and attach screenshots if possible to help us diagnose the problem. You can also provide us with the processing log you just copied. When you've filled everything out, click Submit. We'll review your request promptly and work to resolve the issue so it won't affect your normal use. Stop wasting hours on repetitive file updates. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can batch edit hundreds of files in minutes while keeping your data completely private. No cloud uploads. No data exposure. Work faster, stay secure, and get started today.